Vaishnavi, welcome back to another video. Today we have day 7 of Vlogmas. If you didn't already know, I'm doing Vlogmas this year, which basically means I'm posting one video every day starting December 1, ending December 25th. And today we have day 7 of it. It has officially been a week since I've done Vlogmas, and this is not easy. So today we have a makeup tutorial because you guys have been asking for it since so long, even though I told you guys I know like nothing about makeup because it's very clear. So anyways, you guys asked for it, so that is why you're getting it. So I'm wearing no makeup right now. This is how I look like without anything. Very plain, I know. So I think that is a lot of blabbering for the intro. Now without any further ado, let's move on to the video. So I'm going to be starting with something to make my face a little bit more, makeup worthy, because it is not. So I have some aloe vera gel over here, and I'm going to be doing this to my face. I'm just going to be applying it very evenly, and then you need to let it dry. If you don't let it dry, it is not cool at all because then it looks very awkward. Trust me, I've been there. Okay, so I'm just doing that now. I'm going to be letting it dry and then I'll come back. After that, I would usually put on something which is very soft, like moisturizer probably on my face, and I like this one because my mom has this one. It is by Biotique. It is Biotique Morning Nectar. I think it is a very cute name. Then you need to do the same thing with this and just spread it very nicely on your face, like I'm talking like such a professional, even though I'm not even close to professionalism. But okay, that is what you do. Then you again let it dry completely. It is very important because I don't know if it is important or not, but I usually do it, so yeah. Okay, after that I would take any foundation that matches my face, and also you need a beauty blender, probably like a brush would do, but I like this because it's very soft. So yeah, just you need to do this all over your face. And the point is not to make your skin color fair. It is just to make it flawless. You don't need to be fair or something to be beautiful, because come on, that is not a beauty standard, of course. So like many people just apply it on their face once and then blend it. Some people like to do it on one section and then blend it, but I like to apply it all at once because it's just way easier for me then. Okay, actually it looks very beautiful at first, but then you need to blend it. Okay, then you take your beauty blender. Many people use this and many people use this, and I use none of them. I use the middle one, and then it's just tap it. You don't scrub it because I don't know, I've seen that on YouTube tutorials that you don't scrub it. You just need to tap it like this on your face. Okay, I'm going to be doing one side so you guys can see the difference. You can see like the difference between this and this. It looks a little bit better. Okay, I'm going to be doing this side off camera and then I'll be back. Okay, I look like exactly the same, but next I have this concealer by Swiss Beauty, which I showed you guys in my things that I love video. So I don't really use it under my eyes like most of the people do, because I sleep way too much, so I don't have dark circles. I use it on my eyelid because it looks very beautiful. I don't know why, I just like it. It looks very professional. You don't need to do it. I don't know if it is important or not, but I like to do it, so I'm telling that to you guys. I just apply like a little bit. Like I look like such a ghost. Oh my god. Then I just take the same beauty sponge, but like the top end, and then I just blend it. You don't need to scrub it again. Just blend it. I know I look like a ghost right now, but it will be better. I'm going to be blending it off camera. Okay, I look like the same again, but now I'm just going to be putting on any lip balm or something because I like it. Like I'm doing everything because I like it. It is not how you are supposed to do it. It is how I do it. So yeah. Okay, so next I would probably do my eyes. So today I'm wearing a, a hot pink. I call it red. It is way red than what it is looking like on camera. But I have my Jaclyn Hill palette, which I showed you guys in my yesterday's video. Like I look so much better in this lighting, but okay, whatever. my Jaclyn palette over here. I'm going to be opening it and I'm going to be selecting the shade. Oh my god, it just lights up the screen. It is so beautiful. Or you can pick any color, but I'm wearing red, so I'm going to be picking red because why not? But I like shimmer, so I'm going to be putting a little bit of shimmer as well. I'm not using an eyeshadow brush. The reason I don't have it, and also I don't know how to use it. So I'm taking this golden shade over here. I like this one a lot. And then what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be putting it like this, okay? Like just I'm going to be tapping it on my eyelid like that. Make sure you don't go outside your eyelid because it looks very funky then, and then you can see the difference right now. Then I'm going to be using my another finger, but this time I'm using this color over here, like that, and then I'm just going to be swiping it on top because red. It's going to look way better when I like blend it out. I'm going to be doing it off camera so it looks good. You can probably not see it that clearly, but it is a little bit more darker than what it is looking like right now. Then I take this thing, which I don't know, it's not a compact powder, it is actually a powder foundation. Now you might be wondering, how do I know it? Because I watched a YouTube tutorial, of course, and then I just do this because it just feels very fancy. You don't need to follow this, but you can just enjoy looking at me failing everything because I don't know anything. So yeah, it looks pretty good right now. Now I'm going to be doing something I've never done before. I'm going to be taking this brown shade over here on my brush. This is probably not even the right brush, and I'm going to be doing this thing which every YouTuber does for some reason. So I'm going to look funny. I have to go to a party after this. Okay, so I'm going to be trying to do this because everybody does that. Um, looks pretty okay to me. Okay, I'm going to be blending it a little bit better on both sides off camera, so it looks pretty okay. So I tried that thing and I don't know if it made a difference or not. I'll probably look at the before and after clip to see if it did make a difference or it was just like a waste of time or something. And now I think I'm going to be doing my eyeliner, which I often get trolled for on my channel because I can't. I did this side off camera. I haven't done this one yet, but you can see how much of a difference it makes. I have huge eyes and it makes it, a little bit neutral. I'm not going to be doing a wing because I don't feel like it, because I don't know how to do it actually. So what I do is I just close my eyes and just draw a line and just fill it in. That is how you do it. I have this one because the sketch eyeliner is the easiest one for beginners or noobs like me. So that is what I do. I just, draw a line and then I will just check if it looks okay or not. Then I'll just fill it in. That is what I'm going to be doing right now. Okay, I did it. It is pretty even. It is not the same because I was doing it, so you can't really expect a lot. So now I'm going to be taking the lipstick which I've been wearing in all of my Vlogmas videos. It is red because everything here is red, and I'm just going to be putting it on, and you don't need to see me put this on. So yeah, I did it, and you can see how different I look after that. It is pretty clear why I have to do something with it. I have my hairbrush over here. um, it is by Sacred Salt's Luxurious Indulgence. I don't know what that means, but it is um, very good. And now I'm going to be doing something with my hair. Not sure what, but I'm going to be doing something. And yeah, I'm going to be including all the pictures I take in this video. So that is how I like to do my makeup because I don't really know a lot about it. So that is all I usually do. You can try it if you want to. If you're not a professional, then only you would like to try it because everything is so wrong in this video. So yeah, that is pretty much it. My mom did my hair. I look very cute. So this video was, I mean, I don't know what to say, but this video was very cute, and that is how I do my makeup, even though I don't know anything about it. So, anyways, in case you guys did enjoy this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and also hit that big subscribe button down below and the little post notification bell right next to it to get notified every time I post a new video. By doing this, you'll become a member of the hashtag notification squad and one of my miracle fam members. That is pretty much all I wanted to say. I'll see you guys in my next video tomorrow. Until then, goodbye.